Lasagna from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making a stretchy smoked melted vegan cheese. This is just in time for my Canadian friends for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. For this recipe I'm using my TriBest blender. I'll leave a link to that below so you can check it out for yourself. It's a really handy blender for blending small amounts of food or sauces and dips. So definitely check it out, it's well worth having. What I've got here is 1/4 of a cup of cashews, and I've soaked them in 1 cup of water. So just let them sit for a while. It's basically just to soften the cashews, and it makes it much easier to blend and gives it a creamier consistency. To this I'm adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of liquid smoke. This gives it a smoky flavour, and the type that I have here is the hickory flavour. I'm also adding in 1 teaspoon of coarse Celtic sea salt, 1 tablespoon of tahini, and 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. And give this a blend up. So this has been blending for a minute or two, and it is now ready for the second part of this recipe where the magic happens, and this little pot of goodness is going to turn into stretchy vegan cheese. Okay, so now you want to get yourself a non-stick fry pan, and I've heated this to a medium heat, and it won't take long at all to thicken this up. So pouring this in here, and then just stir this non-stop. You'll see that it starts to thicken quite quickly. And that's it, it's done. So quick and simple. And yeah, just be sure that you keep stirring it till it's nice and thick and gooey. And you can use this in toasted sandwiches or on pizza, in lasagna, wherever you like. Absolutely tasty, quick, simple, yum! On my website you'll be able to print the recipe for this, and also join me on Facebook and Instagram. Tag me on Instagram if you use this. I'd love to see what you do with it. And before you go, I'm going to taste it. Oh, hot and gooey. Yum. Definitely give it a try. This is one of my all-time favorite recipes. Yum. I'm going to make sandwiches now, so I've got to go, but I'll see you for the next recipe. Bye. Yum.